guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video I'll be showing you how I created this cute hairstyle using the platinum airbrush. I absolutely enjoyed creating this hairstyle for you guys. All the products that I use I will link down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this? Become this? Become this?
I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I used the organics 2-in-1 Aloe Vera shampoo to wash my hair. Now I will be applying some bone straightener to my hair. I absolutely love this product because it makes your hair so soft and silky. I'm going to be using the platinum airbrush on a high heat. I absolutely love this product as well because this product cuts down my blow drying process in half the time and it is so easy to use.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to come like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. feels and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since how we play. Sit right next to you. But you're not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an every since how we play. Sit right next to you. But you're not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
My hair was very much giving tangled vibes. It was so to detangle my hair because I didn't comb my hair for at least 3 weeks straight.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since how we play. Sit right next to you. But you're not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around.
This is how my hair looks after the blow drying process. It feels so soft. And the fact that my hair is detangled, I'm so happy. That was the goal. Next, I'm going to flat iron my hair. This is the first time in 3 months that I'm using a flat iron on my hair. Goals, honey. I will be using the chasing method as I flat iron my hair, and I will also be using small sections in doing slow passes through my hair.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, I want you around, around. I want you around. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.
And here's the final look, guys. I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. It felt so soft and it was so silky, and the fact that it was shining. Absolutely loved it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.